Hi friends, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can transform a decorated planner that looks like this into something neutral that looks like this. So you see that both are the same planner, but one of them is decorated with stickers and colors applied to it, and the other one is a very simple neutral template. So first, if the template has stickers applied and if you don't want to show any stickers, what you can do is have the sticker mode selected and then manually remove the stickers one by one by clicking on them and then clicking on the X button here. And this is how you remove the stickers. And if both pages are the same, you can also copy paste it from the left to the right side. And now you have a template with no stickers applied to it. And then next, if you do like neutral templates with no colors at all, I recommend you to go to the color palette, and where outline is, I recommend you to apply a more neutral color such as gray, for example. Here header color gray, or maybe even white like this. And then you can also go to the styling panel, and then under minimal you can select the classic style. And this one's the most classic minimal style we have available. And then you can go back to the header or outline color, set it to black, and here you go. So now you transformed a very decorative planner into a very minimal looking template. And if you do like this styling, what you can do is go back to planner mode, go to save export, go to save style, and then you can save this exact styling, maybe call it minimal black. You can save it, and this will save the styling into your My Style menu. So the style you just saved will then be accessible from the My Style menu. And then whenever you open up a new planner, you can apply this saved style to that planner. To automatically make it neutral, or to automatically have it more in a minimalist styling like here. And then if it does have any stickers applied to it, just remove all the stickers by going to sticker mode and removing them individually one by one. If you have any questions, you can always message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!